Okay, Ansaraj, I think it's sufficient for you, and after that, some person they will complete, and after that, I will give up chance. Okay, move. Yeah, now
Okay.
Ansaraj. Sorry, listen.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Sir, my question is very normal question, sir. Sir, how to control my mind, sir? Whenever I read anything, so sir, my mind is not there. I always think about like this because my nowadays my exam going to come. So whenever I read any books, so my mind is not there, and I always think like okay, I have to speak English and I have to learn English, and so my mind is not work at that time. Sir, what should I do?
Okay, great. This is very good question. And sir, you involve with your exam in the mind. There are the conscious, the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind think about exam, how to tackle, how to crack the exam. And right now you are reading the book, right? You are reading the some life changes book or your college book.
College books. College book या others
What
books.
book you reading? College book.
Sorry, sir.
Others book. I think you will have to avoid others book. Focus on your college book and read very carefully. But patience and the consistency, this is a key to get success. So avoid unnecessary thing. Avoid talking. Avoid each and everything. So main goal, you will have to crack. You will have to complete your exam. You will have to pass. So focus only on your books. Avoid talking, avoid conversation, avoid meeting, each and everything. You will have to focus on your exam, and nothing more than that. And sometimes talk with a friend, but not more. But consistency and patience, that is the key to get success. Are you getting my answer?
Yes, sir. I got it. I got it, sir.
Great. Yeah. Do hard work. Best of luck,
Thank you,
and
sir.
do good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now Khushbu Kumari, unmute yourself. Khushbu,
Yeah, yes, sir.
yeah, you can ask.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Okay, sir. Sir, my question is that I have lot of headache. When I thought that when I used to phones and mobiles and I operating mobile, that time I have facing problem. But still I thought that it's not my problem to while operating phone, but it's also happening with me regularly. So it is my very, I think it is my very big problem. So please suggest me something. A night I use phone, I think 6 to 7 hours.
So you can better understand, because right now you are more exposure of the electromagnetic radiation. This is not the good for the health and also your brain, because during your exposure of the radiation, like radiation we can get by the mobile, via laptop, right, or via television, and you are exposed 5 to 6 hours. That is a major issues. Your eye muscles, your brain muscles, that means your head muscles going to fatigue, that means weak, that means tired. So you will have to rest and take less exposure of the screen. If you are going to expose more screen time, that is the cause to increase your eye number. And sometimes people complaining the issue of the migraine, that is a half head headache. So you should consult the ophthalmology for the eye number, that means vision check, and take rest. Avoid as soon as possible screen time. It's more important. You are too young, don't go with the screen time. If you are excessive use, so it might be cause some other fatal issues. So be cautious, be careful about your health. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir. But sir, means one day Before 6-7 years ago, I checked to my eyes and headache problem to doctor. Then doctor suggest me and gave me sunglasses. So that time I used sunglass, but now still I don't use. So can I means can I uh, means can I help to doctor and
Yeah, ma'am. Currently, you will have to go with the ophthalmologist and they check the pressure of eye and the vision. Then after suggest some respective number, which that number will be suitable for your eyes and avoid screen time because you are talking about you have suffered with the eye issue in the previous time. So
yeah.
it is a mandatory wearing a specs. Right now I am wearing a specs because I want to less exposure of the screen time. This is not well our mind, this is not well our health because our body health is important as well as our mental health is also important. So if you are suffering the headache, that is a cause of excessive use of screen time. So maintain the distance. Whatever anytime you use the screen time, so maintain the distance. And wearing the glass, it would be helpful for your current problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Welcome.
And now Jitendra Yadav, Jitendra, unmute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Jitendra, you have any question?
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, sir.
Sir, my question is nowadays we saw that everyone is troubled by back pain and sciatica problem, and how can we remove it? What is and what should we do for sciatica and back pain?
Okay.
And question, what is sciatica? What is sciatica in detail? So tell me, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sciatica, that is the nerve. Sciatica, that is a condition which is placed in the name of nerve, sciatic nerve, which is passed from the back of leg. It it comes from the lumbar spine and then passes from the back of thigh and the back of leg. So some people complaining the pain the one leg behind the one leg. So that is the cause of compression the sciatic nerve. This is very common. So the people don't know what are the cause, what are the mechanism to enhance the pain and the provoking pain. This is the major cause of poor habit of eating. We eat unnecessary, irrelevant things like some people eating non-veg like chicken. But chicken, it is a good sometime for the increase the vitamin D and helpful for your body building. That means the protein. This is a body blocker. But we don't know what are the bad impact. We eat chicken very commercial purpose. That means we eating chicken, we get chicken from the shop, and the shopkeeper production of the chicken as a commercial purpose. Chicken well found within a 22 days or sometime 23, but actual chicken, if you are fat chicken in your home, it will take 6 to 7 months for the adultery, right, for the chicken. So poultry worker, they just told they eat for food to chicken anabolic steroid. This is also not helpful for the body because that chicken eating and they develop whole body within 22 days, and you eat chicken and the passively chicken indulge in the body and finally cause bone fragile. Bone fragile, if you are move forward, that is the cause of this bulging, and this bulge causes the compression of the sciatic nerve, and the patient complaining the pain in the back, one leg. So it is important to get the natural sources and natural source of food like white part of the white part of egg and cheese and butter, or sorry, not butter or cheese and the milk. That will be the rich sources of vitamin D. Or the other thing, avoid forward bed lifting, avoid heavy bed lifting, forward bending, upstairs, don't running, don't move, don't walking for long, because this is a cause to increase, this is a cause to provoke the sciatic pain. So you will have to use LS bed, lumbo-corsette bed. This is also helpful for reduce the movement in the spine, lumbar spine, right? And some exercise recommended by the respected physiotherapist. As I know, some people suffering the pain in the back. Sir, are you suffering the pain in the one leg or two leg?
Only one leg, sir.
Only one leg. So more probably chances the the osteophyte formation and compression the pain because of this bulging. So back extension exercise, it would be helpful for your for your back, and take rest. Back isometric exercise, it is also helpful. If you're feeling pain on your leg, so hot fermentation, it is also helpful for reduce the spas, reduce the toxic which is production in the in the lower back. So hot fermentation with lukewarm water, that means hot bottle available in a medical store, buy and fill with the lukewarm water, apply on your back, and back extension exercise, isometric on back exercise, and avoid forward bending, heavy uplifting. So it would be helpful for your back. And other thing, you will have to consult respected neurologist. They would recommend some mecobalamin tablet, 1500 mecobalamin. But the doctor cannot be recommend. I'm not recommend you right now here. The reason I'm not showing your X-ray. It is important to showing X-ray. Then after I recommend some medication. But it's important you will have to go some respected doctor which is sitting in your locality, and then after give some medication, but not medication not too prolonged. If you having pain severe, then take it, otherwise avoid, go for the conservative treatment. That's it. Okay, sir?
Sir, but my friend is vegetarian. He he is not eat any chicken. But फिर भी वो इतना परेशान है, बहुत ज़्यादा.
Yeah, I understand. Sir, this is a problem of the vitamin D deficiency, and sometimes your friend, pick up the heavy weight and your friend back muscles is too weak, and finally what will happen? What has happened? That this intervertebral disc of lumbar spine protrude and causing the compression of the sciatic nerve, and then after they are suffering with the sciatica. So if your friend suffering much more, I think your friend recommend some respected physiotherapist. It would be give some conservative treatment, and finally your friend will recover as soon as possible, right, sir?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Yeah, I think all person have a complete our means question and doubt, and thank you, Afan sir, because Dr. Afan sir, because I know very well, and whatever means everybody ask and you deliver very remarkable point, and because sir it is not my topic, but sir I was listening very carefully. Okay, so really I was means also means observing lots of good thing, how to overcome any bad disease. Okay, and how to means how to apply and good things like you should do exercise, and you should like early morning, and like you can include some fibers and protein. Okay, really sir, it was very fantastic and very helpful each everyone. I think lots of persons they will clear our doubt, and 100% when I will upload into 100% hundreds of I think and hundreds of thousands of people when they will watch video, they will they got